My name is Dominic Reisig. I'm an associate professor and extension specialist. We're out here at some of the research plots. This is part of a federally funded grant, and the purpose of this experiment is to figure out where different size corn earworm larvae feed on different parts of the plant. And this research really wouldn't have been possible without the checkoff funding that provided preliminary data that fed into information that growers can use directly. But it was also used to generate federal dollars that then led into these larger experiments that are hopefully going to go back and feed information that's going to help North Carolina growers. I would say on average corn earworm is the top insect pest in the state. Some insects just feed on the foliage, and earworms will feed on foliage as well as pods, and of course that's where the money is. Probably the most important thing you can do right now is to figure out if you have any pests in the field and definitely correctly identify them. And then secondly, use the thresholds, which helps you figure out how many pests are there. We have a threshold calculator online on the Soybean portal, and there at the Soybean portal, under that tab where it says Insect Pest Management, you can go into a link that says Thresholds, and you can calculate the row spacing you have, the cost to control to buy the product, and figure out what threshold you might want to use. If you know how many pests are there, you know the economic loss that they're causing, and you're going to be able to find that break-even point where the cost of the insecticide and spraying it is equal to the cost of doing nothing.